In this video, we are going to show you how to buy the first product in the BIT Blockband Index Token product range, the BIT Top 20 Plus, in our Blockband wallet. What is BIT? BIT is a product range encompassing our new index logic-based products. BIT sub-products are tokens that include several cryptocurrencies and track their market performance. Tokens have diverse return risk profiles, and the underlying cryptocurrency packages are managed by different strategies. BIT Top 20 Plus is a diverse cryptocurrency package. The value of the package changes in line with the performance of the included cryptocurrencies. BIT Top 20 Plus includes the following: 75%, the 20 biggest cryptocurrencies based on market cap. Meme coins, wrapped coins, and stable coins are not included in the package regardless of their popularity. 10% is EBSO, the Blockband and Natrix platform asset. 10% audited gold-based BNOX. 5% emerging cryptocurrencies with high growth potential chosen after data analysis. In our previous videos, we have showed you how to register in our application, how to complete our KYC process, and 2 different ways to log in on the Wallet web application. You can watch these videos on Blockband's YouTube channel in the English language tutorial videos playlist. You can find the link in the description of this video. I will show you the BIT Top 20 Plus purchase process after you have already registered, have successfully completed the KYC process, and logged into the Blockband wallet. The first and most important step is to top up your wallet with euros. Click on the Top Up button on the EUR panel, where we can see the necessary bank information. Leave this page open, then log into your online bank account and then execute the transfer. Make sure to give accurate information and write your wallet ID in the comments section to make the crediting process easier. After a few days, the transferred euro amount will be credited to your wallet. We have previously done it, so let's close it now and go to the BIT Top 20 Plus purchase. As we click on the Buy button, a warning will pop up claiming that the purchase price has an additional 18.9% fee, of which 1.2% will be dedicated to the BSO Gold Pool. We recommend that you take this additional fee into account when you make a transfer into your wallet. Once you have read the notification and agreed to it, click on the Confirm button. Your first purchase must be at least 40 BITs, but afterwards you can buy any amount, even just 1 BIT. To show you how simple buying is, we have already made our first purchase. So now we're going to buy 18 BITs, for which we currently must pay the amount in euros that you can see at this part of the screen. Let's make sure we enter the correct amount we want to buy, then click on the Buy BIT20 button. Going back to the main screen, we can see the number of purchased BIT tokens. After the purchase, you can transfer BIT to anyone. The minimum amount is 1 BIT per transaction. Click on the Transfer button on the BIT20 panel. Here, you can see where you need to enter the BIT amount you wish to send, the wallet ID of the receiver, and you must fill in the message section as well. Then, the BIT20 transaction button becomes active. If you change your mind, click on the Cancel button or close the window in the upper right-hand corner. During the BIT Top 20 Plus transfer and sell process, you need to factor in the 2.9% fee, of which 0.9% will go to the BSO pool. If you wish to sell some or all of your BITs, you can do so at any time with a minimum of 1 BIT. If your balance goes under 10 BITs after the transaction, you are required to sell all the BITs in your wallet. The maximum sell is 1000 BITs per transaction and 1000 BITs per week. Every sell above this given limit must be executed through the company's customer service department for liquidity security purposes. You can reach our customer service department directly at bit@blockband.com. The selling process of BIT is as simple as buying. Just enter the amount you wish to sell. To show you the process, we will sell 15 BITs from the 18 purchased BITs, so the euros at the current exchange rate will be credited back to the wallet. Make sure that the number of BITs and the amount you receive is correct, and then click on the BIT20 Sell button. Now we can see our new euro balance and the number of owned BIT Top 20 Plus tokens on the main screen. Thank you for your attention.